OneTap 7 has Google reCAPTCHA, which you can integrate within your form to block spams. Our add-on offers you more protection of your form on top of Google reCAPTCHA. So basically, with our spam protection add-on, you can add this kind of reCAPTCHA, which will ensure more protection against robots and spammy applications. So let me show you how to enable this one. So first of all, you need to make sure you have OneTap 7 and Ultimate add-ons for OneTap 7 installed. How to install these plugins, a link of instructional video should pop up on top of this video by now. Now let's go ahead and enable our add-on. So we enable the spam protection free version. Now let's go ahead and create a form. And from here, we can keep everything as it is. And we click this field and just hit insert. Now scroll down and you need to enable spam protection. So we have two types of protection, arithmetic recognition and image recognition. So we keep arithmetic recognition for now and click save. Now let's go ahead and publish this form. Now let's view page. So as you can see, we have this arithmetic recognition here. Now let's try to fill this form. And here instead of 16, let me put 15 and see how it goes. So as you can see, it says validation field. Now let me put 15. Okay, now it's, as you see, the message has been sent. Now let me try to show you the image recognition. We reload this page. So now we have this image recognition, which is more complex than the arithmetic one. Okay, so that's $Q8B. There's a bypass. No, I failed. So is that I or ITVP? Oh yes, I passed, so I am a human. So that's how the spam protection works. Now let me show you how the pro version works as well. So on the pro version, we have two options. So one is submission difference. So basically, if someone tries to appoint an agent and they try to, real agent, and they try to submit, you can block those by adding a submission frequency and then email protection list step. So let me show you how this works. So we enable the pro version. Then on the pro, I don't need to enable the pro. Now let's go ahead and check our form. So one is each submission difference. So if I say by default is 5, so there should be a 5 seconds difference. So you can set it 15. Then if a form has been submitted within 15 seconds twice, then it will block the submission. And list type, like allow list. So here you can list your email addresses, which should be allowed on this form. And you can also deny list, so you can put your email addresses which you want to restrict from submitting your form. So these are the two options on the pro. Now let me show you an example. Like, for example, let's say we'll be blocking these email addresses. So be sure to separate each email address with a comma. So we add, let's say, Charles at yahoo.com. So we plop these two email addresses. Now we hit save. Okay. Now let's check this out. Oh, I hate this image. Let me go back to arithmetic. That's easier. Okay. Now let me try to add John. See, so it's already saying John is not allowed. And what about Charles? Yeah. So it's not allowed. But if I write .co, now it should be fine. Okay, 9. There we go. So that's how the spam protection pro version works. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.